And what is Nilesh Jain reading about the markets? What is his reading on the index and the levels? Let's get his perspective on the technical front. Nilesh, thank you so much for joining in for your time today. Was it a dead cat bounce, or should we call it a short covering move, which has largely played out? That was majorly, the traders were waiting for a move, which they caught as a, relief shot after, especially after what Trump gave a booster by pausing the rates, and now the move has shifted to 7th Feb, and hence the unwinding of the trade is what we're seeing.
So Priyanka, we have seen a good short covering rally in last few trading sessions, and if you look at the overall structure of the Nifty now, it has ended exactly near its resistance zone of 23,800. It has faced resistance at 23,800, I would say that. And also, if you look at the 50-day moving average, that is also exactly coming at those levels. And now we need a decisive breakout of 23,800 for further momentum to continue towards 24,000. Mostly we may see that breakout coming in maybe in a day or two. As of now, we need to wait and watch out for a sustainability of this particular move. Today, we have seen some profit taking at the higher levels, but good part of the rally that the support has shifted higher at 23,600 followed by 23,500. So what I'm looking at the derivative setup of the weekly expiring tomorrow. The data shows that 23,500 to 23,800, that's the 300 point tight range for the Nifty. The structure is still buy and decline till the time we don't see any breakdown below 23,500. So buy and decline should be the strategy. We have also seen a buy crossover in the momentum indicators and oscillator as well. Now coming to Bank Nifty on the other hand, where we have seen an outperformance today and the structure is still looking strong. We can expect a follow-up move to continue towards 50,800 to 51,000. That's the 200-day moving average for the Bank Nifty. So overall structure-wise, and also on a closing basis, it's a good close for the Bank Nifty, and buy and decline should be the strategy here as well. One should keep a stop loss below 50,000 on the closing basis. So these are the spot levels, and looking at the VIX, which has witnessed a sharp pull off from the highs, so which is very much in the comfort zone for the group. So we expect this momentum to continue, and maybe we may see some volatility ahead of the RBI policy, but the undertone continues to remain on a positive side.
Okay, so if that is your outlook going ahead on the markets, Nilesh, amid a market like this is starting to become a stock because market, in fact, it has been that way for quite some time now. Tell us what's looking attractive to you and which stocks would you recommend for our viewers?
Right, so we have seen some underperformance in the broader markets, and now today was an outperformance we have seen in the broader market, specifically Nifty Small Cap Index, where we have seen a dead cat bounce. So we may see this pullback rally to continue in the broader market and also stock specific action. We expect some pockets which are looking attractive, specifically sectors like Nifty Pharma, PSU banks. So watch out for all these space and also financial as a whole ahead of the RBI policy. We can expect some momentum out there. So from stock specific, we have a buy recommendation in Laurus Lab. This particular stock is looking very attractive at current levels, given the kind of formation that we are witnessing in this particular stock. It is on the verge of a multi-year breakout and looks strong for further upside momentum to continue towards 655. 617 should be the stop loss. And today another sector where we have seen a good momentum, that was metals. So within metals, metals pack, steel authority is something that is looking attractive. The risk and reward is looking attractive. The stock has gone into extremely oversold territory. So we expect a strong rebound in this particular stock. And on the upside, it may test 111 to 114 levels on the upside. Stop loss can be placed below 106.5.
Right, okay. So Nilesh has some interesting picks coming in. Laurus Lab and SAIL is on his buying radar. Thanks very much, Nilesh, for that view and your time for ET Now. Moving on,